Hello and welcome to Fireside History. I'm Joe. Now, last time we discussed the Arzawan War in the west and in the southwest. Now we're talking about the north. Now, Kaska had invaded the Hittite lands before, but now they became subject to something that happens sometimes to barbarians who are near the borders of great empires or states. They began to clump together and unite and grow more civilized and get better weapons that they probably got from the Hittites and merchants themselves, so that now they posed a legitimate threat against the Hittites, with Mershali noting that Peonia, the enemy leader, had unified a great deal of them. Now, here are his words. Peonia did not rule in the Kaskan manner, but suddenly we're in the Kaskan town. The rule of a single man was not customary. Peonia ruled in the manner of a king. Now, Peonia was a tribal chief from the land of Tapia and had captured the upper land of the Hittites and absorbed it into the Kaskan territory. He resisted all attempts to negotiate and was defeated in battle. His lands were ravaged, and he was forced into humiliating surrender and taken back to Atusha into captivity. Now, the restoration of the Hittite authority in the upper land was short-lived, as 2 years later, in Mershali's ninth year of his reign, it was again invaded, this time by troops from Hyasha. But for the present, the main theater of action shifted to the southeast, where there was an escalation of violence, namely in Syria. This started in the 7th year of Mershali's reign, as there was a rebellion there, mostly in the Nuhashi lands, but they quickly exploded. And there was, now our primary sources are documents dealing with communication between Mershali and a local leader named Abirada, king of Barga, over a town called Yaruwata, in the border region between the Nuhashi lands and the kingdom of Barga. And we could generally, from these sources, these communications between supreme commander and local leader, reconstruct events. But that's going to be reserved for next time, as Syria, as stated, began to take advantage of the distraction of the Hittite king over in the north. And, well, we'll see next time how Sharikushu handled the southeast and the problem of Egypt. So like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And hit that notification bell if you like this video.